welcome to episode 36 of Credit 101. So in this episode, I want to show you guys all the different dispute letters that you all can send out if you guys are looking to remove accounts from your credit reports. So I'm going to actually share my screen with you all so you can see my website, Rickita.com, where I can show you some of the dispute letters. You can use these dispute letters, or you can find dispute letters and send them out on your own. So if you were to find some other ones, but I have a free one on here. So it's, if you're looking for some, I have some free ones on here. With the free dispute letters, it's going to give you a basic dispute letter that you can send to the credit bureaus to remove like bankruptcies, charge-offs, collections. So you can send that one in. I also have a credit card list on here with my top credit cards that I love. Some credit cards I have and some that I just suggest that people go ahead and get to start building their credit. Also, you're going to get a dispute letter for those collection companies that's sending you letters in the mail saying you owe them money. You're going to get a letter to tell them to stop contacting you. Also, you want to get a letter asking them to show how you owe them money, because if you don't respond to these collection companies, they have the right to technically put it on your credit reports. But you want to contact an attorney about that so you can know all the different laws around that. And so I give you that letter for free so you can contact them. And then also you're going to get a letter to remove those inquiries from your credit reports. So you're going to get that in this free dispute letter package that's here. All you have to do is click right here, fill out the form, and then I'm also going to send you a free webinar where I talk about the how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. Now, when you come down here, you'll see that I have some different dispute letter packages also. So you can check out this package right here. It's late payments. So if you guys have any late payments, then this would be a great package for you. It's going to be letters going to the credit bureaus and also directly to the company that's reporting that late payment, which is really good. In that free package, I don't have a letter that goes directly to the company. All of these letters technically, well, other than the collection letter, but not to the creditor. All of these letters in here, they go into the credit bureaus or they're actually going to that company. And it's only $27 and you're going to get 6 letters. So these letters shall last you about 3 to 4 months. For disputes, and this is only for late payments. Also have the same letters for student loans, collections, and charge-offs. And also, if you guys have a bankruptcy, it's 4 letters for the bankruptcy, because you technically are not sending a letter to like an actual company for the bankruptcy. You guys can get a free letter. I believe there's a free letter in here for the bankruptcy. Also, you can send it to the courts, but that's about it. You really send out these letters directly to the credit bureaus for your bankruptcies, okay? But those are the letters that you can send out to remove accounts from your credit reports. I have a special going on right now because I'm trying to go live and show more people how to fill out these letters. So I'm offering 6 months of free letters. I'm going to be doing your letters on the weekends or whenever I'm live. All you have to do is get my mega dispute letter package. It's actually all the letters that I just showed you. All those letters are $27 a piece. If you actually get the package, you can get it for 65% off, and that's going to be my mega dispute letter package. You may find that you cannot get this right away. You may have to wait until after you contact us, and then we'll go ahead and let you get that package of letters. But go ahead and get your trial with Aura. Get your trial with Identity IQ. That's so I can have your credit reports and freeze your Experian report, and then I don't need you to complete an application. And then I can send out letters for you for 6 months for free. So definitely check that out. That's going to help a lot of people out that's not send out those dispute letters, but those are the different letters that you can send in to the credit bureaus to remove accounts. In that first letter, I think I also put in there that they're going to remove personal information. I really suggest you just call the credit bureaus and tell them to remove it. That really would be best, to call them and tell them to remove that information. Again, if you guys are looking for those free dispute letters, please go ahead and check it out or call us at 833-RICKITA. We'd be happy to help you with this process. Now, let's go to episode 37, where we're going to talk about some tips for sending out those letters to the credit bureaus.